Why do snakes regurgitate their food prey? Defense mechanism. When threatened, snakes may regurgitate their prey to make themselves lighter and more agile to escape enemies quickly. It can also make the predator less interested in the encounter since the prey is no longer in the snake's mouth. So there you have it. Another wild knowledge has been added to our mind. So guys, please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel, and please hit that like button and share it to all of your friends. Until next time here at Ultimate Reptiles, thank you and bye.